Cordial greetings to Tora and classmates. My name is Laura Vanessa Ayala Ortiz. This video is for the course English 4. My group is 126. My tutora is Viviana Carolina Rodriguez. One question. Your opinion about the positive and negative effects of technology on the environment? Positive effects. New techniques or alternative energy sources as wind and solar. Increase and improve the waste recycling processes. Processes to optimize waste of electronic devices, electric or hybrid cars, and inclusion of biofuels, and use and optimize renewable resources. Negative effects. When carbon dioxide increases, affects the ozone layer by weakening it and creating holes in it. Melting of the glaciers and poles. Increase in production and pollution by smoke. Migration of some species to other environments seeking survival. Infertility due to contamination of chemical and toxic gases. Water pollution and deforestation. How do you see the future of our planet? I consider that the future of our planet is bad because there are large amounts of plastic waste in the ocean, rivers, seas, among others. In addition, the excess of production of smoke and toxic gases are accelerating the gaps in the ozone layer. Accelerated global warming has caused the melting of the poles, causing different glaciers to run out and affect the ecosystem of different animals, causing their migration and extinction. What causes a fight for the territory, food, water, ecosystem, among others, between the different species? What later in a few years will hurt the human being, causing scarcity of water, food, and even the air that is breathed, will be more hard, causing different types of diseases, and the longer time of the human being each day or year will be shorter. 3 questions. How to mitigate the environmental damage? I consider that the most appropriate way we have at the moment to mitigate the accelerated environmental damage is for the human being to become aware of properly disposing chemical, garbage, recycling, and other waste. It is also important to consume adequate water. Large companies should implement strategies where they can really reduce the amounts of smoke produced to avoid damaging the ozone layer and reduce their contribution to global warming. Take care of the different ecosystems of animals. Do not alter their habitat. Take care of the few species that are in danger of extinction about hunting. Thank you for your attention.